Asato, number 8 in Igbo Numerology. In Igbo Numerology, the number 8, known as Asato or Isato, has symbolic meanings that encompasses prosperity, infinite possibilities, ascension, cycles of life, new beginnings, mastery of spirit and matter, and divine grace. Each interpretation represents both positive and negative aspects that illustrate the dynamic interplay of these energies. In this chapter, we will explore the 7 interpretations of Asato and their implications in Igbo Numerology. 7 interpretations of Asato in Igbo Numerology. Number 1. Prosperity. Positive aspect. Asato symbolizes prosperity. It represents abundance, wealth, and success. It signifies the ability to attract and maintain financial and material wealth. Prosperity in this context is not just limited to material gains, but also includes spiritual richness and well-being. It encourages a mindset of abundance and growth, which attracts opportunities for success. Negative aspect. However, the pursuit of prosperity can sometimes lead to greed and materialism. An excessive focus on accumulating wealth might overshadow other important aspects of life like relationships and personal integrity. The desire for more can create a sense of dissatisfaction and stress, which can lead to an imbalanced life. Number 2. Infinite possibilities. Positive aspect. Asato represents infinite possibilities. It highlights the boundless potential and opportunities available in life. This interpretation encourages an open-minded approach which amplifies creativity and innovation. It reflects the belief that there are no limits to what one can achieve and encourages a sense of hope and optimism. Negative aspect. The idea of infinite possibilities can also lead to indecisiveness and scattered focus. The overwhelming number of choices might cause confusion and an inability to commit to a single path. It can also result in unrealistic expectations where the pursuit of endless possibilities distracts from practical and achievable goals. Number 3. Ascension. Positive aspect. Asato signifies ascension, which represents spiritual growth and the journey towards higher consciousness. It embodies the pursuit of enlightenment and the elevation of one's spirit. Ascension reflects the continuous effort to rise above mundane concerns and achieve a deeper understanding of the universe and one's place within it. Negative aspect. The focus on ascension can sometimes lead to spiritual arrogance and detachment from reality. The belief in one's spiritual superiority might result in a lack of empathy and connection with others. It can also cause people to neglect practical responsibilities and the importance of grounding their spiritual practices in everyday life. Number 4. Cycles of life. Positive aspect. Asato represents the cycles of life. It symbolizes the natural rhythms and patterns that govern existence. The interpretation acknowledges the continuous flow of beginnings and endings, growth and decay, which reflects the connection that exists between all life forms. It encourages acceptance of change and the understanding that life moves in cycles. Negative aspect. Focusing on the cycles of life can sometimes lead to a fatalism and a passive approach to challenges. The belief that everything is predetermined might discourage proactive efforts to change one's circumstances. It can also create a sense of inevitability, where people feel powerless to alter the course of their lives. Number 5. New beginnings. Positive aspect. Asato symbolizes new beginnings. It represents the potential for fresh starts and renewed efforts. This interpretation encourages being open to change and seeing every ending as a new opportunity. It reflects the optimism and excitement that comes with starting anew, encouraging resilience and adaptability. Negative aspect. The emphasis on new beginnings can sometimes lead to a lack of commitment and continuity. The constant desire for fresh starts might result in unfinished projects and unfulfilled promises. It can also cause instability, where the pursuit of new opportunities disrupt established routines and relationships. Number 6. Mastery of spirit and matter. Positive aspect. Asato signifies the mastery of spirit and matter. It highlights the balance between spiritual and material pursuits. This interpretation reflects the integration of spiritual wisdom and practical skills, which enables people to achieve holistic success. It emphasizes the importance of grounding spiritual practices in the physical world. Negative aspect. Striving for mastery of spirit and matter can sometimes lead to inner conflict and stress. The challenge of balancing spiritual and material goals might cause tension and overwhelm. It can also reflect in perfectionism, where the pursuit of mastery leads to unrealistic standards and self-criticism. Number 7. Divine grace. Positive aspect. Asato represents divine grace, which reflects the blessings and favor bestowed by the divine. This interpretation emphasizes the importance of humility, gratitude, and the recognition of higher powers at work in one's life. It encourages reliance on divine guidance and support, which enables a sense of peace and trust. Negative aspect. Relying too heavily on divine grace can sometimes lead to passivity and complacency. The belief that everything is granted by the divine might discourage personal effort and responsibility. It can also result in a lack of initiative, where people wait for divine intervention instead of taking proactive steps. The sacred nature of Asato. The Igbo saying, "If lie is sato or nata," when a thing gets to 8, it returns, reflects the cyclical nature of life and the concept of rebirth. This connection underscores the transformative power of the number 8, highlighting its role in bringing about change, renewal, and continuity in Igbo reality. In conclusion, Asato, the number 8 in Igbo numerology, carries significant interpretations. It symbolizes prosperity, infinite possibilities, ascension, cycles of life, new beginnings, mastery of spirit and matter, and divine grace, each with its positive and negative aspects. Knowing these interpretations allow for a deeper appreciation of Igbo spiritual traditions and the wisdom they offer. Each of us can navigate our spiritual and physical paths with greater insight, balance, and harmony when we understand the multifaceted nature of Asato.